Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.